Hello, you are welcome to solve this nice simultaneous math problem. A plus B is equal to 16, AB is equal to 20. So what is the value of A1, B1, A2 and B2? So if you enjoy my video, then like to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks you. So firstly I can say that this one is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Now I select this one, which is A plus B is equal to 16. Now here firstly I find the value of A. So A is equal to 16 minus B. Now in the next step I can say that this one is equation number 3. So equation number 3 values A I can put in equation number 2. So it can become 16 minus B into this B is equal to 20. Now I can apply this B on this bracket. So it becomes 16b minus b square is equal to 20. Now I can rearrange it, so it become negative b square plus 16b. I can shift this 20 to the left side, so it become negative 20 is equal to 0. Now I can divide each term on negative 1 because I remove this negative 1. So negative 1 and negative 1. So this will cancel and it become b square minus 16b plus 20 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation which can be write it as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in quadratic equation the exponent is a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 16 and c is equal to 20. So the formula of quadratic equation can become b is equal to negative b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2 into a. We can put value in this formula, so it can become b is equal to negative into negative 16 plus minus I can write here the value of b is negative 16 square minus 4 time 1 time 20 square root divided by 2 into 1. Now dear student, in the next step we can simplify further it. So b is equal to positive 16 plus minus this square is 256 minus this will become 80 square root divided by 2. Now in the next step the value of b is equal to 16 plus minus when we subtract this, that it can become 176 square root divided by 2. Now we can write it as b is equal to 16 plus minus 176 square root is 16 times 11 square root divided by 2. Now I am going to the next page, so it can be written as b is equal to b is equal to b is equal to 16 plus minus square root 16 times 11 divided by 2. Now dear student, I can separately write square root on each term. So b is equal to 16 plus minus square root on 16 times square root on 11 divided by 2. Now here b is equal to 16 plus minus square root of 16 is 4 time, means I can write square root of 11 divided by 2. Now in the next step I can separately write 2 on each term. So b is equal to 16 divided by 2 plus minus 4 square root of 11 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 a's are 16, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So the value of b is equal to b is equal to 8 plus minus 2 square root of 11. Okay, now here the b1 is equal to 8 plus here is two values. The b1, the first value is 8 plus 2 square root of 11. This is b1, and I can write here b2 value. So b2 is equal to 8 minus 2 square root of 11. This is the two values of b1 and b2. Now we find a1 and a2. So if you remember the third equation, which is a is equal to 16 minus b. So firstly we find a1, so this one is a1 and this one is b1. So it can be, if we put the value of b1 here, so it become a1 is equal to 16 minus into 8 plus 2 square root of 11. Okay, from here dear student, a1 values is equal to, a1 value is 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. This minus is multiplied to plus, so it become negative 2 square root of 11. This is the value of a1. Similarly, if we find a2 value, so a2 is equal to 16 minus b2. If we put b2 value, so it become a2 is equal to 16 minus b2 value is 8 minus 2 square root of 11. So a2 is equal to 16 minus 8 is 8. This will positive 2 square root of 11. This is the value of a2. Dear student, now in this question we can find a1, b1. Similarly, we find a2 and b2. Thanks for watching dear student. If you can enjoy my video, then subscribe to my video and share to the friend, and tell me in the comment section that which thing I can improve in my lecture. Thanks for watching.